ezo filmele soko na rouge.
Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to you all. It's so lovely to see you on what was an awful morning and now the sun is shining. And you know, often the weather reminds us of life itself, the storms and then the calm and the sunshine. And today we want you to know that we welcome you here at Vine, where we try to remind all of us, each other, that in God's sight we are all equal. And we're fortunate that our buildings are shared by people of all faiths. And one of the things we're proudest of is that once a month we have children and young people of all faiths coming here, talking to each other, playing with each other. And through the years, it is one of the most wonderful things that I have witnessed, that youngsters grow up respecting each other, regardless of where they're from and what their faith is. And we learn from each other. Nobody tries to say, oh, you have to come over to my faith. They have grown up learning to respect and learn such a lot from each other. And so it is with gratitude and joy that we welcome you here on this peace walk, when people of all faiths can walk together. And now I'm going to ask the ladies to sing for you.
Mikiri miso miyoka na mitambola simana ekolo kimya kimya o mabota Mikiri miso miyoka na mitambola simana ekolo kimya Mabota maso mayoka na matambola simana ekolo kimya kimya o mabota Mabota maso mayoka na matambola simana ekolo kimya kimya o mabota Mangomba maso mayoka na matambola simana ekolo kimya kimya o mabota Mangomba maso mayoka na matambola simana ekolo kimya kimya o mabota Bandimi baso bayoka na matambola simana ekolo kimya kimya o mabota Bandimi baso bayoka na matambola simana ekolo kimya kimya o mabota Kimya mabota majali kolela na yo Bae baya solo kolo kita kati na biso Mabota, mabota, mabota Maebete, yotambe oja ozali bomoi. Mabota, mabota, mabota. Maebete, yo nzambe ozali bomoi. Kitisa kinyao mabota, mazali kolela na yo. Baeba yo solo kolo kita kati na biso. Mabota, mabota, mabota. Maebete, yo nzambe ozali bomoi. Mabota, mabota, mabota. Maebete, yo nzambe ozali bomoi.
The main thing about that song is to say, let all nations understand each other and walk according to the will of God, peace among us. And now the children and young people of the Kimbanguist Church are going to sing for you. Sorry. The children and young people of the Kimbanguist Church are going to sing for you. They're going to sing in English. And it is a song that I hope you will take with you. It's a song which says, let there be peace on earth. But the most important bit of that song is, let it begin with me. Ready, children?
Yes.
And my only hope is that you will take that tomorrow to sleep.